it's an interesting day. Of course, yesterday got quite stormy, and hail was a big part of it. We had large hail. Look at this great shot from Stephanie and Ixonia. It is a perfect example of exactly how hail forms. It is layers of ice around a central core there as that hailstone travels up and down in the thunderstorm, gathering layer after layer. So you can kind of see that in that hailstone there that Stephanie from Ixonia sent in, kind of cut in half, if you will. Numerous reports of hail yesterday, some amazing cloud photography as well, the Momatis clouds, typical when we get that kind of instability. And of course, we did have, as we expected to see, some stronger storms and tornadoes. But now we're pretty calm. I wish that would last all day, but that's not going to be the case. It's also not going to look like this again. This is the time lapse from yesterday, which looks almost exactly like Skyvision Plus looked yesterday. If we may brag for a bit, our forecast model performed very, very well. Start time was right around 4 o'clock in Dane County, and you can see how it starts off pretty small first and then grows and expands. Much more organized and uniform to the north, a little more isolated to the south, but at one point everybody had some kind of watch or warning. In fact, everybody had at least a warning at one point yesterday. Numerous storm reports. I expect the map to continue to fill up now that we're able to kind of assess the day. It was a hot, summery kind of day yesterday, too. Got 77. We had 91 at Janesville, 86 at Watertown. Up in Dodge County, where our reporter Zoe Chapala is live this morning, where they had the tornado observed, well, it was 83. It's one of the key ingredients to fueling strong storms, that heat and humidity, of course. Now, we're not quite done with the day. See the low? That's that low. There's the fronts that caused all the problems yesterday. The low itself kind of spins into our area later on today and tonight. That could trigger more storms. Nothing like what we had yesterday, but isolated storms could get pretty strong. So let's go check it out on Skyvision Plus. Now, short term, the breeze picks up. We get a few more clouds, still pretty good into the early afternoon. After 3 or 4 o'clock, we start watching for showers and thunderstorms again. That'll last until maybe 7 or 8, and then once again, we're pretty much done with any stormy weather. A couple of sprinkles overnight tonight into Saturday morning, and then we completely dry up. But as those storms come through, we do have a marginal risk for severe weather. The real bullseye is to our south. That was us yesterday, but it's down south for us today. Our area, a marginal risk means isolated severe storms are still a possibility. So even though they will be isolated, they could still be severe. Now, looking ahead with the exclusive Fox model weekend, after a couple of early sprinkles, we dry up, we get some sunny breaks, and we continue on the drier side through Saturday night and on through our Sunday as well. So pretty good weekend from that point of view, but it will be a much, much cooler weekend. We're going to be in the 80s today. We dropped by like 20 degrees for the highs, with highs in the 60s both Saturday and Sunday. We should start a comeback later next week. Our Fox 6 Day Planner, 84 today, another chance for storms tonight. Low 60s this weekend, mid 50s Monday and Tuesday with showers, then back to 60 by Wednesday.
Prices for groceries and gas have gone through the roof. Did you know that Renewal by Andersen's energy-efficient replacement windows and doors could help lower your energy bills and save you money? They're made with our exclusive FiberX material that's vastly superior to vinyl and backed by the nation's best warranty, covering both our product and installation. Click or call Renewal by Andersen.
Right now at 8:30, police called for reports of shots fired, but they say there was no gunman. What do you know about a lockdown at City Hall in the Zeidler building?
Plus, a driver takes their impatience to the next level. What one driver did when they didn't want to wait for a car to back into a parking spot.
Good morning. Welcome to Wake Up at 8:30. Yeah, Rob, take a seat. Just let that marinate.
You have some patience this morning.
Yes, yesterday was a very busy day, so I'm just going to chill and I'm going to be patient, as Jerica pointed out here. But I can't relax for too long because there are some storms, or there are some storm potentially later on today. In the meantime, though, enjoy it. Get up, assess to see what the storms did in your backyard yesterday. And now look at all that beautiful blue sky and sunshine down at Carthage College. From the tower cam at Estabrook, it's 68 in Milwaukee. Wake up, West Bend, already 70. It's a beautiful, very summery start to our day today. Big picture shows that main low still spinning around off to our north and west. That's what's on the way for later today to get those chances going again. High today near 84. The wind will be southwest, so it takes the lake out of the equation for the most part, and that southwest wind keeps that heat coming. But look at the wind speeds, 15, 20, 25 miles an hour, gusting even stronger than that. Weekend brings a chill. We'll look ahead next.
And those storms wreaked havoc across the state. A tornado hitting Dodge County especially hard.
Some of the video